account for free Salesforce account using, as a developer edition. And today we'll go and see little more details. And what was the app that we created yesterday? It's configuration administration. So this is the app we created, and we know what is navigation bar. What is the navigation bar? Top header, right? And each item will be saying that navigation item. And how many types of applications we have? We have two different types of application. One is standard application, the other one is console applications, right? Whether the record, if it is an application, like what it contains, what it can able to handle, whether it will maintain the record security or it will have any other specifications. Whether it will maintain, if I create any record within the administration account, then it will only visible at a administration app that can be visible across the Salesforce organization for that user. So yeah, what application controls? Application controls the order of navigation items, the name of an application, and the logo of an application, right? That's only. The record security cannot be maintained through applications. Now, if I want to create a new account, I need to go to the new accounts inside account tab, and under that I need to click on new. Once we created an account, so you'll be having a page like this. Like you have like a panel sections, header panel, charters and activities. All these things can be customizable. It's not something like we can't modify. We can customize whatever we wanted. Okay. Now, if you can go to the details, you can see account owner, rating, phone, fax, website, and all these are inherited from page layouts. These are called from page layouts. Page layouts in the sense, there will do a mapping in a way that which field need to display where and which type, left side or right side and all this stuff, okay? Other than that, if I can say, this is called record detail page. Whatever you are seeing here, whatever you are seeing, if you go inside any particular account, and that page is called record detail page or record page. What we say, record detail page or a record page. Clear? Hello? Yeah, okay. Record detail page or record page. Let's say here I wanted to add a new field to an account saying that referred by. Here I need to add a field called referred by. Referred by whom? Clear? I need to add a new field because there is no such fields available in the account object, right? For now. You can see like you have account name and account number. There is no field called referred by. So now I need to create my new custom field. These are called fields. Where I need to create that new custom field? Under accounts, right? Because I need to modify the account object. So then I need to go to my account object, go to setup and click on object manager Here you will get all list of Salesforce objects available. So in this, which object I need to modify? I need to modify my account object. And then I need to create a new field. So fields and relationships. Then create a new. Then which referred by, I'll take it as a text field. Next, I'll say it as a next, and I'll say referred by. So field label is the one which users can able to see it, and field name is something where you can able to use this field inside your programs, queries, and other part of development areas. Okay, this is like a API name, application program interface name. So which will be used either in query statements or your Apex language while writing your triggers, Apex classes, or lightning components. So you can refer by using field name, not with a field label. Field label is only for a user interactive name, like shipping address. The same way you have a field label for a user readability. And then you can see whether this field is always required in order to save record. It means that you are making this field as a required field. Now I don't want to make, not every account will have a referred by, so I'll not make it. And now, do you want to allow duplicates or do not allow duplicates? That's the question. Like treat ABC and ABC are duplicates, like with a case sensitive, case insensitive, and this is case sensitive. Okay. And external ID, as you know, like if I enable external ID, we can able to integrate this with third-party systems, like so that they, instead of saying the Salesforce record ID, they can look into this field and they can able to update. And reports and dashboards, this we can go ahead and later. And I'm going to next. Field length I need to give. Let me give it to 80 is my field length. Next. And whenever you find a field level security for now, always click visible. Okay, just select visible for all profiles and then continue. And these are the page layouts. Do I need to add this to page layouts? Okay, let me add to page layout. Save. Now this field is available inside my account detail page. Let's go and refresh your account details. Oh, 1 minute. Are we finding anywhere like referred by? Okay, it might be an issue of persistent loading. Right click, empty cache and hard reload. Sometimes, right, whatever you are configured, that will not reflect quickly. So ensure that you always clear cache before you modify any other configurations. The easy way to do that, right click, inspect elements, and then right click on your refresh symbol and you will get empty cache and hard reload. So that's the easy and safe way that you can reload your page without, by clearing caches. Waiting for caching. It's always a pain to clear cache. Okay. Let me go here. It will take a while. Details. Where is it referred by? It is not showed up. Still, seriously? Let me go here. Switch to classing. Let me edit it. We are getting referred by here, so the UI it is coming because of cache. It is not coming up. Let's inspect it. Refresh empty cache and hard reload. Details. Still, it's under persistent loading. No issues. 1 minute. I'll show you other way of around. Testing. Save. Sometimes this issue will always comes. Login. Sorry for holding you guys. Here we have a referred by, right? Okay. Whatever you are seeing in this panel, it's completely a cache issue that always there with Salesforce Lightning. It downloads a cache. It takes a lot of time to refresh. Actually, I'm just checking whether this got refreshed or not here. Still, it is not refreshed here. See. Cool. Let's continue in this panel then. So here we have a referred by testing. Now I wanted to place this particular field right below the account name. I wanted to place this field right below the account name. How can I do that? Do I need to write any code here? No, I don't need to do any code. So technically whatever you are seeing here, this is inherited from a page layout. There is a concept of, there is an option available in object called page layouts. Let's go. And what is my current profile, logged in user profile? Anyone can able to say that, like which profile I am using currently as a logged in user. Let's find my profile name, users. Let's go to users. What is my username? Browser cruising cross, but you can. So what is my username? julypresum@presum.com. Which profile I'm using here? System administrator. Let's go back. Object manager, account, and page layouts. And here multiple page layouts, like more than one. I can say it's a multiple. Now I need to identify which page layout that I am using for a logged in user. So that you can able to verify by clicking page layout assignment. You can able to verify that which layout you are using by clicking page layout assignments. Seriously? Okay. Now what is my profile name? System administrator, right? System administrator. Which layout I am using? Account layout. So for a system administrator, it will associated with a account layout. So open your account layout by clicking here itself. And where is your referred by field? Here you have, right? You can simply drag and drop wherever you want it. You can drag and drop wherever you want it. So automatically it places. And then save. You modified page layout. Let's verify whether our changes are reflected or not. Go back, go to details. It's reflected, right? Yes or no? Yeah. So here it's not just you can add a page layouts. Here it's not just adding a page layout. You can also have like a referred section, like if you need to have a new section saying that referred details. Referred details, and I'll say okay. So this is a section. I can even add my referred details there. See. Now this section will come up automatically for you. Details. Again, this went into cache. Interesting. Control Shift I. Inspect empty cache and not fill. So technically, right, whatever the layout, whatever the field sections you are seeing, that is inherited from a page that you understood, right? It is not hard-coded fields. That's something, the whatever the field structure, the order of fields that can be customizable through page layouts. Clear? No. Again, it went into this one caching. It's fine. It will be solved like after a few time, some time. Now, yeah, okay, sure. Now, let's talk about little further more details. Like we have different objects, accounts and contacts. Now, I'll create one contact record. I'll create one contact record, simply saying that Deepak. And here you can see a field with a such symbol, right? So this is called a relationship fields. A relationship fields. Here I can relate my contact to a particular account. Here I can relate my contact to a particular account, and I can also see, if I go here, you can see there is a contacts which is showing one under account object, isn't it? So whatever you are seeing is called related records, and this is called a parent record. So in Salesforce, we have two types of relationship fields we can create between objects. One is lookup relationship, the other one is master detail relationship. One is lookup relationship, the other one is master detail relationship. Any questions like about relationship fields? Interactions is very important for me. Yeah, we can discuss it. So currently, like we have two, and we'll see in detail now, like what is those relationships. Okay. So for now, to explain anything, let me create one simple object, new navigation item as an object. Let me create a new object, object manager. I'll see a new object by clicking create object. Hell of this one. Setup, because private browser is disabled cookies, so that is how it is not allowing. Create custom objects. New custom object, and I'm saying refer. So this is called refer details. What is plural name for refer details? Plural will be detail. Detail. So this is not an English plural name. Whatever name you will provide here, right, that will come as a your navigation item name. And yeah. So for yourself, like let me say like detail, and let it be as a details, okay? And if you are creating any table, like if you are creating a table, will you call this as a table? At least this particular input. Will you? If I say this is a table, will you accept it? Let me show you something. Uh, okay, here we go. Okay, what about this? This is a table. Yes or no? Seriously? Yes? Might be my statements might be wrong sometimes. So is this a table? What is the rule for a table? It should have at least one column, right? The table basic rule is that it should have one column. Now accept this as a table header like serial number. Will you accept now? Imagine this way, you have multiple rows now like this. Will you accept now? This is serial number and you have row 1, row 2, right? What is the table structure here? Simple, it should contain rows and columns, but a table should contain at least one column. Then only you can say that is a table. Okay? Here also, if you can see, this record name is nothing but your object name. If you can go to the account object, if I want to open my account present, Dixon PLC, do I need to click at Dixon PLC or do I need to click at phone number? Where I can open this account record? By clicking here, can I able to click anything here? And here? Because this is called a record field. This is called record field or nothing but record name, where you will get an access to that detail of a record. That's the same field as this one. Enter the record name, label and format. This it helps you to navigate that record and either you can look up based on this name. This particular record name is nothing but your required field at your table level, at your object level. It have two different data types, either with a text, either with a auto number. Let's say here I don't go with number, I'll say that name of a person, and I'll say yes. For now, optional features is something that allow reports, activities, track file history, allowing charter groups. I'm just enabling it. And don't worry, we'll go by completing a few more topics and we'll discuss what is reporting activities and everything. For now, it's a very lengthy topic to go through these optional features one by one. For now, you can check everything and ensure that you always check it is in a deployed status. In developments, you will not able to access it. So deployed, allowing search, add notes and custom attachments, and add new launch custom wizard. So your tab is created. Now I'm creating a tab. Select anything, trophy, next, and default on for all profiles. So there are three options: default on, default off, and tab hidden. What is default on and default off? If the tabs are visible, because these settings will not going to reflect in your lighting components. This is actually reflects default on and default off and tab hidden. Tabs are available in classic. So you can say default on for now. On which app I need to include? I need to include only for administration. Let's save it. Let's go back and refresh it. You got the referred details, right? Let me go to sales app for now. And can I able to access referred details even from sales app? And what was the rule that yesterday we discussed? What app can control? What app controls? Logo, name, and order of navigation items, right? But we never discussed that it will restrict the tabs. No. If it is not available, it's fine. But it will be available under all. Here you will be having everything. Here you can see referred details. You can able to access it. User can able to access it. But it's just like this will be available only for order of tabs. In administration, we enable it as a default on and it is ordered as a last. That's it. Clear? It will never restrict you anything. Now this is my referred name. In referred details, what we have only name field for now, right? Yes or no? I need to provide a few more fields like that phone number, email, and active or inactive. Any questions? Like I need to create a few more fields. How to create a fields? Again, I need to go to Object Manager, refer details, fields and relationships, and either I can create fields from here or there is other way of doing it. Go to Setup, Object Manager, Schema Builder, because I need to create a multiple fields here, right? Clear all. What is our object name? Refer details. Select it, click on Auto Layout. You will get your object here, and then click on Elements. I need to create email. So email data type, drag and drop, email, save. And then I need to have a phone number. Drag and drop, phone, save. Date of birth is active, I'll say. And I can say rich text area, about me, save, pick list. So what is pick list? Like say status, new, active, super user, inactive, dismiss. Visible lines I'll say 5, 6. Now let's go here and click on new, refresh it, sorry. We created a fields, isn't it? But why those fields are not displaying here? Why are those fields are not displaying here? We are not seeing those fields, right? Because we created a fields, we never added to a page layout set, isn't it? Yes or no? So let's go to the referred details, page layouts, and we have only one layout because this will be created by system directly. Whenever you create an object for the first time, it will be created. So now we need to add those fields to a page layouts the way we did it earlier. So let's say about me, I'll say here bottom. Let me add a section only, section. More details. About me, I'll add it, and I'll add blank space right to it. Name, date of birth, email, phone, owner I'll just throw down, and status is active. Save. So I modified my page layout, I added everything. Let me verify from here. Record details, click on new, still it is not coming. Refresh. New. My God. Now let me refresh it. Refresh. Think about it. It's not something always whatever I do is right. Think about it. Is something else we are missing? We added page load. What else is missing? Field level securities are missing, right? Here we added to a fields. For now, it's fine. But we need to provide a security for these fields. Let's say if I go to status, set field level security. Here we have field level security, we have everything cool. It's got updated, but this cache is eating my head. Cache loading is always there a problem. I'll change the settings now. I tried not to change, but I'll change settings now. Now you got it, see, right? It's the same problem always, you can see. Now you have all the fields and everything. Let me disable a cache for now. At least we can save little amount of time. Now you can even see for accounts also, even that section will be displayed for sure now. Now you can see, right, refer details. Earlier we don't have, we tried to get this one, it never showed up. Now you can see refer details at top. Session settings, there is a session settings, and from here, oh, you can know. Yeah, here you can see enable secure and persistent browser caching to performance. Let me disable it so that I'm disabling my performance itself. It's okay with more. Now refer details, we got it. Now let me create one record. I'll say that Satya, email satya@satya.com, and DOV some, okay, it's okay for now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and I'll say active, and I saved it. Now we created one account, right? We created one record, isn't it? Now in account object we created one field called referred by. Can we delete that field now? And we can relate that with referred details, a proper name. Can we do that? Let me go to my account object, setup, object manager, inside account object, fields and relationships, look for referred by. I'll delete this field. Yes. Now I'll create a new relationship between referred details and account. Now whenever I'm creating a new account, if that account is referred by someone, I need to select that referred details. Clear? Any doubt in this? So to create a new field, let me go to accounts, new fields, and then select a lookup relationship. Select a lookup relationship. You cannot create the rule. I mean, there is a limitation in Salesforce. You are not allowed to create a master detail relationship in a standard object. Clear this point? You are not allowed to create master detail relationship on a standard object. Okay? Any questions? What is standard objects? Objects provided by Salesforce. Now this field should relate it to referred. Where is referred? Referred details, and then next referred detail name, and I'll say next visible to all profiles, and I'm not adding to page layouts. I'll modify from page layouts directly. Say, let me go to page layouts, and I'll edit, because we already know we are using account layout, so I'm modifying it. I'll edit this one. I'll say detail view, address, detail. I'm just saying this, display these sections in both detail page and the edit page. Detail page in the sense, if you are in this layout, this is called detail page. Here you are not seeing those headers, right? Whatever headers you are getting, those headers you are not able to see it. Detail, and you can see descriptions, check links and all secondary, and let me add referred. referred detail name, save. Refresh it. Details. Now you got quickly, right? If you disable that caching, I mean, if you compromise with your performance, you will get the output very quickly. Clear? Now, if I want to select, I can able to select Satya from here. Now, Satya is from which record? Satya is from referred record, right? Yes or no? Now, I wanted to see my selected referred number, phone number, and email. How can I do that? So the referred details are available inside referred detail object. Now if I account owner, if I open my account record, I am allowed to see my referred detail phone number and email under referred detail sections. Will that be possible? Yes, that is possible. Salesforce is giving a flexibility for us to create a fields called formula fields. To create a fields called formula fields. Let's create a fields, new field. I'll say, oh, what's this? Formula field. Next, email, and I'll say referred underscore email. Referred underscore email. And I'll say bracket R. And what is the outcome here? This outcome will be text, right? Email means a text only, right? It cannot be a checkbox, currents and all. So select your outcome field. My browser block. Okay, text. Next. And click on advanced formulas. And click insert field, account record. And find a reference field called referred detail. So if you select this one, right, this will give you only the detail name. If you can click, you can see this greater than symbol. If you can click here, it will take you to the referred detail object. You can see referred detail object details, DOB, email, is active, created date, owner, name, record, phone number, status, right? These are the fields that we created, right? I selected insert, and I'll say treat blank is okay. This is the text field. I'll say blanks as blanks. Next, visible all. Next, I don't add to page layouts because I'll add it to manually at specific locations. I'll create one more field, formula field. I'll create one more formula field for a phone number. How to create? Click on formula, next, and phone, FERRED, referred, and here I'll say REFFERRED, referred underscore phone. Again I'll say text. Even phone number is not a number field because you can use country codes like place, hyphen, open bracket, close bracket. So insert field, the same steps again. Go to the referred fields, referred detail. I came back. Insert, referred detail name, and you can see phone number, insert, treat blank fields as blanks because this is a string. Let's blanks as blanks, visible all. Next, I don't add to any page layouts, save it. There was a validation rule. First validation formula has no column type. Click here to return to previous page. There is an issue. Okay. Next, let's say phone referred phone text field, next, insert, referred detail name, phone, insert, check syntax. Let me check no errors, no merge field issues. Treat blank fields as blanks. Next, visible to all profiles, and formula fields are always read-only fields. You are not allowed to modify. Save. Now it's good. Let's go to page layouts. Edit your account layout. In the referred section, let's say email, and let's add a blank space at top, and I had phone number here. Save. Now if I can refresh, details, you got your details also, right? Phone and referred from a your referenced field object, isn't it? Yes or no? Hello?